Hi, I'm Shirel Berger, chef owner of Opa Restaurant in Tel Aviv. You say Opa. My grandfather was a German, and we were very close. He said, you have to find something that is different inside of you and bring it into the world, bring it into your restaurant. And I was really searching for that difference in my life, and I found it. I just felt it was part of the story, you know, because it's very unique what we do here at Opa. We work with organic and local farms using only fruit and vegetables, seasonal and obviously preserved vegetables. We have 10 courses, and every dish is taking one fruit or vegetable and using many different techniques to enhance, to really put that item as a star. It's a trip. It's a trip. When we received the recognition of being the one to watch on the 50 Best, it was very exciting because I really think there is a lot to watch here at Opa. My team, of course, is very happy and full of pride. My twin sister is, first of all, the love of my life. We own the restaurant together. She is about the finance in front of the house, and I'm in the kitchen. When we create a dish at Opa, it's based really because we had waste. You know, if it was peels, it was the pulp of a fruit or a vegetable, whatever. I was like, we can't throw this away. What are we gonna do with it? So from that, we really created a palette of flavors. So the rooftop garden was one of my dreams. We heard of this organization that saves the wild indigenous seeds of plants in Israel, and I felt a deep connection to that idea. We have to wake up. It's our planet. It's so basic, and we can't be cynical about it anymore. I have a vision. I thrive to create. I'm passionate about what I do. It's being an artist and having a studio to really experiment and to create something new in the world.